अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, न्यूज़ 13 रखे सब पे नज़र, सबकी खबर।
Messi! What a fantastic moment it was.
Oh, right. Now comes the most awaited and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the chief minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Naveen.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars have also been joining in.
Revanth Reddy on the frame now. Is so happy to take that penalty shootout. Jersey number 9, the Chief Minister of Telangana State, Mr. Revanth Reddy. All his hard work, all the days he had practiced. Yes! It's a goal! Finally, he's successful there.
Totally. And no goalkeeper could have stopped it. Now, because it was so cornerish off the goal, it was tough for the goalkeeper as well. Yeah. But yeah, having said that, cricket, of course, like we know, everybody knows that it breathes in our hearts. Yeah, that is so important. More important, everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goal post was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush, the excitement as